This is a fun project. This old truck here, this Ford pickup, needs some work to make it dependable. So we are starting on this project, and the first thing that we're doing is removing the axles. As you can see, looking at the fender here and looking at the rear fender, no wheels, no axles. So what do we do? This is a four-wheel drive. So for you guys that don't understand four-wheel drive, that means that there is an axle in the front, like this one that spans on both sides. And on this side would be one wheel, and on the other side, the other wheel, when we get it all back together. This is a set of gears that actually drives the axles, and it hooks up to the drive shaft on the bottom side right here, and ultimately hooks up to the transfer case, which is attached to the transmission. Now the transfer case allows you to use different ranges of gears to turn the front axle on so you can get four-wheel drive, but you also have hubs that you have to engage on the front, and I can't show you those because we got it all apart. But it's pretty interesting because we are taking this all the way apart so that we can put all new parts in this axle in the front. We're going to put new C-clamp bushings, and those are right here. And these attach to the axle right here, and then attach to this bracket right here. And it stabilizes this axle so that it can, about to fall down here, so it can go up and down like this and allow the springs to push it up and down. So we actually clean all this up, sandblast all these parts, paint all these parts, and put it back together with all new ball joints, all new C bushings, all new radius arm bushings. Anything that's worn out here is going to get replaced. Same way in the back, we've removed the rear axle. We're going to replace the leaf springs and the shocks. Then we're going to take this axle apart. This is the rear axle now, and you can see where the wheel attaches right here, and the drive shaft attaches right here, and inside of here is where the gears are that apply the turning pressure to make the axle turn and make the wheels turn. This will all be disassembled, all cleaned, all painted, resealed, all new axle bearings, all new seals, all new brakes. It'll look like $1 million when we're done, we hope. I'll have another video showing you after we get this back together so you can kind of see the progress on this project. I'm Barry Wilson with Wilson Auto Repair. If you want to see more videos concerning any of the things that we do in the shop or any hints that I have for you, go to my website at wilsonauto.com. And you can't have that Coke can or a Dr. Pepper can, by the way. If you go to my website, you can see more videos, hopefully without a Dr. Pepper can on the bumper. I've been here 40 years.